Hi guys, welcome to tutorial Rage, and in this video you will learn how to insert data using PDO. So in this video you will learn how the insert statement works with PDO. First I will show you without PDO and with PDO so that you can understand the difference. So let's see the practical example. So let's create a file called insert without PDO.php. So here CRUD PDO, right? CRUD PDO, or database name is, or what is the database name here? CRUD PDO. So its name is CRUD PDO. Database name. So everything fine here. So this one is without PDO. We are not using here PDO. So we are just doing this insert thing with MySQLi, normal MySQL. So here you can see with MySQLi, then we created connection here, and then $con prepare insert into country, or table name is country. Insert into country, the name, country code, population, then values, and here is placeholder, 3 question mark, then placeholder, and then statement bind parent. This is a PHP function bind parent, and then here I can see triple S. So this one is for sanitization, and here we are passing 3 string placeholder. We can see S, so string and a string, then $name, the country code, and the population. Now we will replace, that means here is, this one is binding the data. Okay, so now we will insert new code. So here is Saudi Arabia, then this one, and then Iraq. 2 more countries I'm going to insert directly from here. Okay, so now let's run this code and check name is insert without PDO. So this one is without PDO. So here, rather than inserting the code manually, you can also create a form and then insert the data. So now let's go to here. So we can write here insert without PDO.php. Oh, what's the name? Insert without PDO. PDO.php. It's fine. Object not found. PDO intro, then insert. There is double I. There is some mistakes in there, 2I. Yeah, that's fine. So line number 17, unexpected comma. Line number 17, so it here somewhere. 17 here. Oh, there is double comma here by mistake, so we need to remove one. Unexpected dollar statements, line number 23. Line number 23 statement here. Oh, so semicolon is missing here. Same here. Okay, so new records created successfully. Now let's check here in going into the country. Yes, 2 new records is added here, Iraq and Saudi Arabia. So we have inserted this code using normal MySQLi. Now we will insert the same code using PDO so that you can understand the difference. Now let's create a new file called insert. Sorry. Oh, it's just going to see it. Insert with PDO.php. Now let's put, so here is this with PDO. Database server name, username, password, and database name. Now MySQL host, all these things, creating new connection. And then here is prepare. So insert into country name, according to population. Here this is named placeholder rather than question mark. Rather than this 3 question mark, we are providing here named placeholder, so there is a less chance of SQL injection here because we are providing here the name parameter. And now bind param here, so name and then $name, country code, so country code, population and then population. And here we will insert here new name, so South Africa and then Iran. So see here are the difference. In the earlier one there was 3 placeholder question mark here, and here we are just writing here, it is called named parameter. Okay, so we are doing here prepare statement, and then the actual binding of data is happening here. But in earlier video you saw that this is the execution, so semicolon will be here also. So the actual data is executed here. Okay, so it will take this data and will be executed here. Similarly this data will be taken and executed. So what is happening here, this is just preparing, this is just creating a template. Okay, so it is more of like creating a template, and in that template now we are inserting the data, this one and this one. So now when you run the code, refresh it, you can see new record successfully added. Now let's refresh it, that should be 14. Yeah, so you can see here South Iraq and Saudi Arabia, so 2 times there. What was the name? South Africa with PDO PHP. Where is oh sorry, with PDO we need to change here, no? It is without, so it will be, so 2 times got inserted, so with PDO. Now it is successfully inserted, and let's see here you can see Iraq, so South Africa and Iran. So you can see the difference of method here. The benefit is that there is less chance of SQL injection and also inserting the malicious code through this method. And in the next video, in the CRUD operation, I will also show you more about, we'll discuss more about and see also more practical thing about related to this. So in this video so far, thanks, that's it. So thanks for watching.